As graduation nears and our seniors prepare to go on to whatever they're going to go on to, some will go on to colleges, universities, to the workforce. Our intent is to prepare them for the next stage. So seniors got together with administration and decided on topics that they felt they needed to learn. For example, financial awareness, how to open a checking account, how to establish credit. If you're going away to college, how do loans work? Other requests were nutrition, how to eat and buy foods that are healthier for our bodies. Basic car maintenance, what happens when the little lights turn on, what happens when you get a flat tire. Medical awareness, what happens if you don't have insurance, where do you get medical assistance. These are topics that our ninth graders should learn, but now as seniors they felt that they hadn't. And so now as they prepare themselves for the next level, they've missed this information and are really anxious to learn about these topics.